Hi, in this short video, we will quickly tell you about Brilliant Directories features that will help to unlock the full potential of your directory with Brilliant Directories. Key features of Brilliant Directories platform. Browse our extensive collection of professional themes for various niches. Perfect starting point for your website idea with 90% of the design work done for you. Enable members to control their accounts and seamlessly import existing members into your website, and so much more for your business. Who uses Brilliant Directories? Thousands of organizations and groups worldwide trust Brilliant Directories for their online directory listings and membership communities like associations, business owners, different clubs and groups, and more. Turbocharged membership themes. Manage your entire organization with the most reliable member directory software. Launch quickly and simplify tasks, all while saving time and money. Our script includes all the important tools you need to launch your online directory without wasting valuable time. Member management, recurring payments, searchable directory, content publishing, design and branding, banner ad management, and more. Powerful webhooks make it easy to integrate. Do more than collect member data. Segment your members into smart lists for laser-focused marketing. Sync your data to 5,000 solutions using built-in webhooks. Thank you. I hope that information helps. If you would like to learn more about that software for your business, please click on the link in the description of this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you, and have a great day. Bye.